Guys, I just finished from work and the snow is killing me. Can you see how it is snowing? This is how it has been snowing for 2 days now in Stockholm, and then I'm just like, what can somebody be doing in this snow? But well, I went to work this morning and the time is 2 o'clock. I just finished. See the way I'm freezing. I am hungry. I just want to go home and take a hot bath and sleep. Let me turn the camera and show you guys how the snow is killing me. This is a normal day in Stockholm. I mean, like, this is a normal snowing day in Stockholm. When the snow is like this, what can someone be doing? You can't do anything because the snow is stopping you from either going out. Well, you can go out, but you won't be out for long, and by the time it is 4 o'clock, everywhere is already dark. But when it is snowing, it is not dark because the snow is white and it makes places white, so obviously you will see where you're going to. But when there's no snow, oh my god, at 4 o'clock it's already dark. See, let me show you how the snow is. This is how it is snowing. It is damn cold. It is so cold. See, I'm lost. I don't know which way to take again because the snow has covered everywhere.
Now that I'm looking back, I can see all the signs I tried to fill in the cracks that were spread in my mind, but I was all out of hope, lost in an air.
I visited this store in Stockholm called Second Hand. Well, Second Hand is a place where you can buy very cheap and affordable things. If you don't want to go to places like IKEA to buy expensive things, you can just come to this second-hand place and check what you want to buy. They practically have everything that you need for your house. I went there because I was looking for a mirror for my living room. I need a very cute white mirror, but I couldn't see it there. I will probably go back next week. Yeah, as you can see, they have a lot of things that you need for your house. In this section, they have chairs, they have sofa. You can just come here and choose any sofa that you want. You guys, I can assure you that they have very good quality. I saw this DVD shell. Is it called DVD shell? Like just cassette. And I was wondering, nowadays, like this is 2021, are there still people using this DVD thing that they used to use in these olden days? And I was so amazed.
Good morning, guys. I don't know why I wake up this early today. The time is 8 o'clock and I feel like I still need to sleep. I know some of you will be like, 8 o'clock is late to be sleeping, but see, me, I don't used to wake up by this time when I don't have anything to do. But I don't know, I don't feel sleepy anymore. I'm going to have my lectures by 10 o'clock, and by now I should be sleeping to wake up at 9:30, but I woke up since 7 o'clock and I'm just turning around. I don't know what what is wrong with me, but right now I'm just going to make a cup of coffee and try to read something before my lecture starts.
Hey, I heard you got a new best friend. Yeah, it hurts a bit, I won't pretend that it doesn't matter that you're...
Guys, I just received my COVID test. I'm going to do a corona test, and me saying this thing, I mean, like, why is it this long? Is this thing going to enter in my nose? Oh my god, these people are kidding. These people are actually kidding. Why is it this long though? Why? You guys, this is how this COVID test look like. Can you imagine that this is my first time seeing how this thing actually looked like? I mean, so you have to put this in your nose, and then what? What is this? Like this. Anyway, I need to check out some YouTube videos on how to do this. Let me not go and fall my hand. So I ordered mine from Dr. Pointaseya. I think Dr. Pointaseya is just for people that live in Sweden. You order it, and I ordered mine yesterday night. Yesterday at around 7 o'clock in the evening, and now the time is 9:26, and they deliver they deliver it to me. You guys, the sun is out. Can you imagine? Can you imagine that the sun is out after the snowstorm of yesterday? Today looked like nothing happened, and I'm confused. I'm just like, so the sun can come out like this after what I saw 2 days ago and yesterday. Okay, I wish we could just go out and take some cute pictures, but when was it? On Monday I took some really cute pictures. Really cute pictures, guys. I'm going to insert it here so you can see. And if you want to see more of these pictures that I took on the snow, go and follow me on Instagram. I post a lot of pictures there. Very cute pictures. Okay, my editing skill is up to 100 now. So yeah, that one you should not miss it. But right now I am kind of hungry. I want to eat chicken wrap. So homemade chicken wrap, please. I don't want any sauce inside, so I'm going to go to the kitchen right now and do my lunch. Hopefully I will show you guys how I do my homemade chicken wrap. Okay, very easy, very simple, and so delicious. Trust me on that. So delicious. So yeah, let's just go to the kitchen and make ourselves some lunch.
Best friend, yeah, it hurts a bit, I won't pretend that it doesn't matter that you're with someone